The next issue I'm going to discuss is not just a note card issue, but note cards is where the issue is most glaring. We're so obsessed with grades and making sure students complete work that sometimes we don't teach them how to practice things like note cards correctly. Give you an example. A number of teachers will assign vocabulary note cards to students. The students will write out the key terms, put the definition on the back, and then they'll bring the note cards into class, get their completion grade, and never use the note cards again. They put them away in their locker, they put them in their binder, the note cards disappear and never get used. It's important that we have them practice them in class and make sure they're practicing the note cards the correct way. I actually have several class sessions where the students will actually bring their note cards into class and practice them. They'll create an incorrect pile and a correct pile. They'll go through their piles and they will continue working on those incorrect terms. And each time they get one correct, they'll move it into the correct pile and then they'll repeat the activity. So it's important that we teach them to use the note cards the way they're supposed to be used for practice and not just grade it for completion. So keep that in mind when you assign note cards, vocabulary note cards to your students, that we need to make sure they're practicing them and that they don't just put them away forever. Teachers out there, keep being heroes. Look forward to talking to you later. Have a great school year.